Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the multiple stream king, Ladarick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick. Let's go ahead and clear the elephant in the room. You looking at this video right now saying, Ladarick, you are just a tad bit dark. Come on, y'all. Y'all know everything I do is intentional, okay? I need you all to have tunnel vision on this presentation, okay? If you're worried about how I look and what I look like, first of all, there I go right there. Second of all, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see this pretty face all day long. One second, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Listen, anytime you subscribe to the Ladarick's channel, I'm going to take a sip of water. Okay. I know y'all ready to rock and roll. All right, I know y'all ready to rock and roll. Listen, I have something phenomenal for you, okay? A lot of people have been reaching out and saying, listen, I don't understand the compensation plan. Can you break it down to me in layman terms? I say, you know what? Let's put it on the big screen, the nice Samsung Curve, all right, and show you all what it is we are doing and why everyone has tunnel vision when it comes to this compensation plan. Okay. So you come in, all right? It's $34.95 to become a marketing director, okay? Of course, you want to do the $47.90. Everybody wants to know what's the difference between the $47.90 and the $34.95. You want to do the $47.90 so you can go ahead and qualify for ranks, okay? But when you come in, you are a marketing director. After you paid your $34.95, it is time to get to work, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to start sharing with people this phenomenal opportunity. Listen, if you don't know anything about the products and services, I'm going to need you to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have several different videos explaining what it is we have to offer. Right now, I'm talking to my people about the money because they want to know how do we get paid. And I'm the guy to tell you about it. So here, when you come in, your job, all right, as an EVP, all right, is to bring, your job to become an EVP is to bring in two people. Now, nothing to scream and jump and holler about. When you bring in your first two, you get $10, okay? You get $10 for those two. But something magical happens. Okay, first the company recognizes you and says, okay, marketing director, you brought in two people. You now what we call an executive vice president. Okay? EVP. You now become an EVP and now you open up your base shop. Base shop. Now let me share with y'all what happens from 3 to infinity, okay? Once you bring in your third through infinity, personally sponsored, they're going to pay you $35. $35 anytime you personally bring in someone, okay? 3 through infinity. Boom! Now this is where it gets lovely, okay? Now it's time to talk about the base shop. Base shop. Y'all gonna be saying that all day long getting your sleep. You're gonna be sleeping and dreaming about the base shop. Okay. So what has happened? You're 3 through infinity. So what we're looking at right now, we're looking at number 3, number 4, and number 5. These are personally sponsored people, right? You brought in Jim, Kim, and Tim, okay? Jim, Kim, and Tim. All right, we're gonna keep it simple. This is where it gets lovely, you all, and this is where you're about to be excited. This is why you're going to have tunnel vision. I promise you, you're going to have tunnel vision. There's a theme behind this video. Okay, so Jim came in, all right? You brought in Jim. Jim fell in your base shop, all right? 3 through infinity is a base shop. Everything across. Anytime you personally sponsor someone, they fall into your base shop. Okay, so this is base shop number 1. Jim came in, and Jim did exactly what you did. What's Jim's goal? Jim's goal is to go EVP so he can open up his what? Base shop. Okay? I told you I'm going to be singing with me in a minute. Listen, Jim came in and his goal was to bring in 2 people so he can graduate and become an EVP. Guess what happens when he does this? When he brings in 2 people, because you personally sponsored Jim, you're going to receive 25 for this person, 25 for that person. Okay? Jim is no longer in your base shop. He's gone. Okay? But guess what happened? These 2 are now in your base shop, okay? You receive 25 for this person, 25 for that person, okay? Guess what happens? What is their goal? Their goal is to become EVP so they can open up their base shop, okay? So look, they brought in 2 people, all right? Because what they want to do, they want to become an EVP so they can open up their base shop. You get 25 for that person, 25 for that person, okay? 25 for that person, 25 for that person, okay? And so on and so forth. Okay, look, here's base shop number 2. Here's Kim. She did the same thing he did. Her goal is to become EVP. Why? So she can open up her base shop. Base shop, she don't want just $10. She wants to get to the 35. She wants the 35. So what does she do? She brings in her 2 people. Boom, boom. You get 25 for the 2 people she brought in. Okay? She floats on out, opens up her base shop, and then these 2 are now in your base shop. Okay? This happens through infinity. Look what's going on. Now, his goal is to go EVP. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all see what's going on? This is simple math. Base shop number 3, 10. Okay? I'm not going to keep going through. Y'all see what's going on, right? Y'all see what's going on. This is through infinity, y'all. Through infinity, this doesn't stop. All right? This doesn't stop. This is what we call leverage, okay? I brought Kim in. She went to work, did the same thing I did. I'm making money off of her efforts, her team efforts, her team efforts, her team efforts, the team efforts. Base shop, baby, okay? And so on and so forth. So you got to think about it. Personally sponsored, personally sponsored. This is going across. All right, so you want to, make sure that you're growing your business wide and deep. Okay, this is deep because now you're helping your team. They're helping their team. Everybody's goal is to become EVP so they can open up their base shop. Let's keep going. Okay, so look. We talked about the base shop, which is the base shop alone probably got some of you all already clicking on the link below. Okay, so make sure you click on the link below. All right, to go ahead and get started. If not, okay, keep watching. Okay, because if nothing else excites you, this is going to excite you. Okay, so we're going to talk about upfront and residual pay example. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Let's look at January. 400 new MDs, and we're going to say this is a CEO Infinity. All right, we have certain ranks in the company, right? This certain individual is a CEO Infinity. Okay, this is not who he's personally sponsored. This is 4 new marketing directors that the team has recruited. Remember the base shop? These are marketing directors that the team has recruited, okay? These are what you call residual overrides. We get residual overrides. We get overrides for any time one person comes in, depending on your rank. The CEO Infinity gets $15 anytime someone comes in, okay? And this is not personally sponsored. This is through his team. 400 new marketing directors, that gives you $6,000, okay? So let's say, again, we're not talking about who you personally sponsor. We're not even talking about the base shop. We're just talking about 400 new marketing directors coming into your organization because your team is out there working and recruiting. You made $6,000. Same for February, March, April, and May. Okay? Simple and self-explanatory. All right? Simple and self-explanatory. So let's keep on moving. Now, in June, okay, 6 months have passed. Okay? This is what the company does. So basically, after you've been in the company for 5 months, all right, you start to receive residuals, okay? So your organization has grew, okay? People in your organization, they've been paying their monthly membership for over 5 months. The company says, okay, on the 6th month, we're now going to start to pay you residual income on the members in your organization. So if you look at this, all right, in June, again, the same thing has been happening. Your team is working. So let's just say hypothetically, the team brought in another 400 new marketing directors. All right, you still got that $6,000 for June. Okay, but check this out. 200 marketing directors from January 2018. January 2018 is when you started your business, right? Okay, look, this is just basically saying, all right, you only retained 200 people. So basically we're saying 50% of those people quit. From January to June, 50% of those people quit. You still made $1,600. Why? Because the company is going to pay you a certain dollar amount for each member in your organization that have kept their account 5 months or longer. Okay, so during that 6 month, you receive $1,600 plus the $6,000 from your team recruiting, and those are the overrides. Again, we're not even talking about those fast start commissions. We're not talking about those base shop commissions. We're not talking about that. We're talking about what your team is doing on overrides. Okay, same thing happened for July. Okay, look what happened in July. This is why I get excited, you all. 400 new marketing directors. Let's say the same thing happened again. The team is rolling. All right, you starting to see, okay, we averaging about a good 400 people every month. You still get to $6,000, okay? We're going to factor in, maybe you only retain 50% people. 200 marketing directors from January 2018, you made $1,600. Same for February. We say you only kept 50% of the people, you made $1,600, okay? $9,200. So guess what this is saying? Guess what this is saying? So look, January, they paid you for the people you brought in January $1,600. Also, we're going to pay you $1,600 for the people in February. So now it compounded, right? Everybody that you brought in January, now you receive the residual income off of them, okay? Then the next month in February, they paid you January and February. Oh my goodness. Okay, look, let's keep on going. In August, the same thing, 400 new marketing directors, but guess what? Now they're going to pay you January, February, and March. January, February, and March. Come on, man. Woo! I'm telling y'all now, man. That's the happy dance we're doing. Y'all see now why we have tunnel vision. Okay? So for August, with you sticking this thing out and making this money, you have now made $10,000 for the month of August. Why? Because listen, we just saying hypothetically, your team is still growing 400 new marketing directors. We're not even factoring in what you're doing and how you out there working. We're just talking about your team working, okay? $6,000. Listen, a lot of people are being retained in this company, but you're going to have some quitters because people, they want that overnight success, all right? They don't want to get in and work and grind to get to the real money. The real money starts, all right, when that residual kicks in, okay? But look, you didn't do nothing for these $1,600. This is work you already done, all right? This is work you have already done. $10,000. Same thing for September, okay? Now look what they did. We're going to pay you January, February, March, and April. That's stuff you did 6 months ago. Come on, y'all. So we're going to factor this in for 1 whole year. 1 whole year is what you're looking at. June, you brought in, the team brought in another 400 new marketing directors. They're going to pay you for January, $1,600. February, $1,600. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Look what we're doing, man. In June, you're now making $26,800 in 1 month. Show me another compensation plan, man, doing something with that. I just showed y'all about the base shop, right? The what? The base shop. Base shop. Base shop. Come on, man. You got that, and then you factor in this upfront plus the residuals. Man, drop the mic. What else y'all need? I need to take a sip of water. Y'all know what to do when I'm taking a sip of water. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's getting hot in here. I know I got tunnel vision, right? I know y'all paying attention, y'all looking at that. Just take a look at that. Tunnel vision. Just lock in and see the possibilities. The income disclaimer. Being an independent business owner with MyEcon requires work. Results are not typical, so don't be typical. You can get in this thing and not make a dime. Why? Because you're not getting in and following simple instructions. You're not getting in with the right team. All right? You have no hustle, no drive, no ambition. All right? You have no why. That can factor in, but you got some hustle, some drive, some ambition, and you sit back and you look at these numbers. You write them down. All right? You visualize, you set goals, and you go out here and you go work and go crush this thing, man. Look at what's possible. Okay? Look at what's possible. No wonder they paid out over $400 million. And what I love about it is the average Joe, okay? You don't have to be King Tut of online marketing, okay? The average Joe can come in and win, okay? Because you're leveraging your team. This is not based on your own efforts. This is not based on your efforts. This here alone shows you what your team is doing. That $6,000 did not come from me. That $6,000 came from the team. Overrides, okay? The possibilities are endless. So with that being said, you all, MyEcon, the personal financial success company. Like I said, if you want more information about the company, all right, what the products have to offer, I have a website below. Click on that link below. All right, if you have sent someone to this website, okay, because you say, you know what, that was a bomb presentation, I need to send that to one of my team members. I need to send that to one of my prospects. Send them this video, okay? And for that person that's watching because someone sent you here, get back with that person and get involved as soon as possible. Get involved now. Don't wait. We're talking $47.90. $47.90. Okay, and it's only $34.95 a month to retain your membership. All right, and from that point, I need you to lock in and have straight tunnel vision. I need you to lock in and have tunnel vision. Okay, listen, that's my time, you all. I hope this made sense. Listen, drop a like, a comment. All right, you got any questions or concerns? I have an email below. Reach out to me. My Facebook information below. Let's talk. I want to get you started today. And you can join the Paid in Full family. We're going to show you how to get this money because we are locked in. Flags have been planted, and we got tunnel vision. We got tunnel vision, man. I will see y'all on the next video.